solve y into xy plus 2x square y square dx plus x into xy minus x square y square dy is equals to 0. Solution. So given differential equation y into xy plus 2x square y square plus x into xy minus x square y square dy is equals to 0. This is of the form some y into some function in xy dx plus x into some function in xy dy equal to 0. So this is of the form y into f of xy dx plus x into g of xy dy is equals to 0. In the given differential equation, if xy's are there like this, the function is f of xy. So y into some function dx plus x into some function dy equal to 0. So here m is equals to m dx plus n dy. So m is equals to y into xy plus 2x square y square. So multiply with y into xy square plus 2x square y cube. Now dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y is equals to x constant y square derivative 2xy plus 2x square constant y cube derivative 3y square. 3 into 2 6x square y square. Next, what is n? So n is equals to x into xy minus x square y square. Now dou n by dou x with respect to x. Before that, multiply with x. X into x square y minus x cube y square. Okay. So now dou n by dou x with respect to x square differentiation 2x y minus x cube derivative 3x square y square. Both are not equal. Therefore, dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore, given differential equation is not exact. Therefore, given differential equation is not exact. If it is not exact, then we have to multiply with integrating factor to get exact. So what is that integrating factor is, since given equation is of the form y into f of xy dx plus x into g of xy dy equal to 0, then the integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. So before that we have to find mx minus ny. When we use mx plus ny, if given differential equation is homogeneous, then n not exact, then we have to use mx plus ny. Here mx minus ny. This is not an homogeneous equation. You can check it now. Okay? This is not an homogeneous. So mx minus ny. Is it homogeneous or not? Y into xy plus 2x square y square dx equal to minus x into xy minus x square y square dy. Then dy by dx is equals to minus y into xy plus 2x square y square by x into xy minus x square y square. Put x equal to kx, y equal to ky. Then minus ky into kx ky, k square xy plus 2 into k square, k power 4 x square y square by kx into kx into ky, k square xy minus k power 4 x square y square. Put x equal to kx, y equal to ky. Then common, k square common, k square into k cube common, so minus k cube into k cube y into xy plus 2 k square x square y square by here k square common, k square into k cube x into xy plus xy minus k square x square y square. Both are cancelled. So minus y into xy plus 2. Here k square is there. Here k square not there. So that is not equal to f of x comma y. Therefore this is not an homogeneous differential equation. So now we have to find mx minus my. So mx minus my. M into m means x into xy minus x square y square into x, mx minus ny. Ny means, sorry, this is m, this is m. X into xy square plus 2x square y cube minus n x square y minus x cube y square into y. Okay, that is equal to x into x square y square plus 2x cube y cube minus x square y square plus x cube y cube. Both x square y square gets cancelled, and 2x cube y cube plus x cube y cube, 3x cube y cube. Therefore integrating factor is 1 by mx minus my, that equal to 1 by 3x cube y cube. We have to multiply now with integrating factor. Here this equation 1. So multiply 1 with integrating factor 1 by 3x cube y cube. Note down. Next, multiply 1 with integrating factor. Multiply equation 1 with integrating factor. Multiply equation 1 with integrating factor. Then 1 by 3x cube y cube into y into xy plus 2x square y square into dx plus 1 by 3x cube y cube into x into xy minus x square y square dy. Okay, next y gets cancelled. So 1 by 3x square y square into xy plus 2x square y square dx plus x cancel, 1 by 3, here 3x cube, here 3x square y cube into xy minus x square y square dy. Okay, next. Again, this is of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Equal to 0. So this is of the form. Let it be equation 2. Equation 2 of the form. Equation 2 of the form m1 dx plus n1 dy is equals to 0. Here m1 equal to, what is m1? xy plus 2x square y square by 3x cube y square. Simplify. xy by 3x cube y square plus 2x square y square by 3x cube y square. 1x cancel, y cancel. Then remaining 1 by 3 into x square y plus 2 by 3 into x square cancel. Remaining 1x. Y square gets cancelled. Then 2 by 3x. That is m1. What is n1? n1 is equals to xy minus x square y square by 3x square y cube. Then by simplifying xy by 3x square y cube minus x square y square by 3x cube y cube. 1x cancel, y cancel. Then remaining 1 by 3xy square minus 1 by 3xy. This is okay. That is n1. Here 3x square. So both x square gets cancelled, remaining 1 by 3y. Now dou m1 by dou y. With respect to y, so 1 by 3x square constant, 1 by y. Derivative 1 by y. So 1 by 3x square into derivative of 1 by y power minus 1. So y power minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 into y power minus 1. Minus 1 by y. 1 by y square. Minus 1 by y square. 2 by 3x. With respect to y, x constant 0. So minus 1 by 3x square y square. That is dou m1 by dou y. What is dou m1 by dou x? With respect to x. So 1 by 3y square constant, 1 by 3y square into 1 by x, derivative 1 by minus 1 by x square. Remaining 1 by with respect to x 0. So minus 1 by 3x square y square. Therefore both are equal. Therefore dou m1 by dou x equal to dou n1 by dou y. Therefore equation 2 is exact. Equation 2 is exact. Exact differential equation. So now we have to find the solution. Write down. This is equation 2 is exact. Okay. Now we have to find the solution. So what is the solution? Therefore solution of given differential equation is integral m1 dx plus integral terms of n1 not containing yx dx is equals to c, some constant c. Okay, integral m1. What is m1? 1 by 3x square y plus 2 by 3x. So 1 by 3x square y dx plus integral 2 by 3x dx. plus terms of n1 not containing x. Here 1 by 3xy square, x is there. Here x is not there. In this term, there is no x. So minus 1 by 3y dx is equals to c, some constant c. dy. That implies here with respect to x, integration with respect to x, 1 by 3y constant. So 1 by 3y into integral 1 by x square dx plus 2 by 3 into integral 1 by x dx minus 1 by 3 into integral 1 by y dy is equals to c. Next 1 by 3y into integral 1 by x square minus 1 by x minus 1 by x dx plus 2 by 3 into 1 by x log x minus 1 by 3 into 1 by y integration of 1 by y log y. Log y is equals to c. Here 3, 3, 3. LCM 3. So remaining minus 1 by xy dx plus 2 log x minus log y is equals to, here 3 is dividing. In RHS it is multiplying. Then 3c. 3c means some constant c dash. Okay. This is the solution of required differential equation. This is the required solution of given differential equation. Okay. So when we have to use this integrating factor, if given differential equation is of the form y into some constant dx, some function f of xy dx plus x into some function g of xy dy equal to 0, and if it is not an exact differential equation, then we have to find the integrating factor 1 by mx minus ny. After that, we have to multiply with that integrating factor to get an exact differential equation. Then the solution is integral m1 dx plus integral terms of n1 not containing x dy equal to c. Right now. Next sum.